It is easy to install Windows 11 on unsupported system. From this step, follow the instruction. Press Shift plus F10 at the same time and type regedit. Okay. Now navigate to hotkey local machine, then system, then setup. Okay. Right click on setup and select new key. Okay. Enter key name lab config and then right click on lab config and then create a new key dword 32-bit value. Now enter the key name, bypass TPM check. Okay. Now right click on this key and modify and enter the value 1. Okay. Now create another key, give the name of this key, bypass RAM check. Okay. Modify the key and enter the value 1. By following this, create another key, enter the key name, bypass secure boot check. Okay. And also modify and enter value 1 and then click on OK. Now close and exit CMD. Okay, now click on next and then click on install now. Click on I don't have a product key or you have a product key, enter. Okay, then select the operating system you want to install. Okay, now accept the Microsoft software license terms, then click on next. Now select custom install. Okay, now click on new to create partition. Okay, now format the primary partition and then select and then click on next. Now follow the instruction for installing Windows operating system on your computer.